Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe Passro and press the bell icon. We are doing birthday series. People who born on this day, kindly comment yes, I born on this day, or this is my birthday. So it will help people to find each other. We also wishes you happy birthday. I am be with my computer. Today we are going to see secret of facts about people born on this March.
17th point, this people differ with their creative potential and desire to be successful. They have a deep critical and analytical mind. The innate ambition is helping them to achieve their goals by dignified ways. People of this month of birthday 17 are able to take life as it is, and they take the material values of life as something that's supposed to be here, because the main thing for them is the inner tranquility. They have a strong characters, and life circumstances cannot break their spirit. Never rest on their laurels, always set themselves new goals. They like to take a significant responsibilities. People of this month of birthday always believe in their good luck and their own strength. They usually think well before they do something. They have the ability to see perspective and, most importantly, see how different things appear in the interaction. Those born under this month of birthday 17 are able to work effectively and implement large projects. They also like to receive a significant social status. Some of them may be too much addicted to money and properties. Sometimes a certain romantic self-confidence, if it has no further actions, and a penchant for dreaming, does not allow them to fully develop their talents. Despite the fact that these people are pronounced individualists, they are strangely dependent on the feelings of others, though they are quite capable of ignoring the strange views and wishes. They should bear in mind that the solution to any problem does not depend on other people, but it comes from within. The best way to achieve success for them is to stand firmly with both feet on a solid ground and to determine the real basis for a meaningful existence of their personality and the world around them. Emotional characteristics. People born under this month of birthday 17 are very volatile and restless by nature. Therefore they often cannot keep the balance, and it is difficult for them to be seriously attached to one and same person for a long time in the early period of their lives. Sometimes, a person born under this month of birthday 17 has to start and end several relationships to find the right spouse. Such people are always looking for safety and always think about the future. Due to their constant changes, these people are very interesting and sexually interesting as well, because you never know what they will do next. They have a large sexual appetite, but they are not rude, and they cannot be called wild. They like to change partners from time to time, but such deviations do not affect the ongoing relationship. The spouse of this month of birthday 17 should remember that if he or she is willing to preserve the family peace, it is good to be surprising, different all the time. That will allow you this month of birthday 17 to satisfy his inner tendency for changes without destroying relationships that he really value. Always change, always invent something new, and these adventures will make life with your this month of birthday 17 spouse more interesting and more safe at the same time. This month of birthday 17, a very good, this month of birthday that has some mysterious powers. These people are endowed with the intuitive knowledge about their friends and family. They are very creative and inventive. The only drawback is their love for changes, which may bring them to the extremities. They must always make sure that the change they want is really reasonable, otherwise it will bring more harm than pleasure. Generally people with the this month of birthday 17 are very charming, and they are easy to deal with. Nobody ever knows what will happen tomorrow with such a person, and the element of surprise makes them wonderful and very interesting people to live with. People of this month of birthday 17 are usually rich, or they may improve their welfare. Very often their life is better in its second part, when their misunderstandings with world and people are already far behind. In general, this is a good this month of birthday, and those born under this month of birthday 17 are usually lucky. You are an inborn leader, and have business-oriented state of mind. Your methods are creative, interesting and innovative. You know when to use pressure, and when to weaken control. The inner feeling that you have leads you brilliantly. Your reasoning is clear and concise. You can properly control and organize any process. You have a clear view on perspective, as in the larger scale, so you see the details. You are a person to rely on, and large projects are other motivation for you than a challenge. You have high standards to yourself, and if the expectations of others are higher to you, it is the best stimulant you can get. It works, especially if somebody expresses doubts regarding you. You are all or nothing type of person and often tend to exaggerate the importance of things. Your status is essential for you, and you work for it, and like to boast with it. Your shortcomings, the hardest thing for you is that you may start thinking that you are the only person that can bear a responsibility, and instead of sharing your authority and division of your powers, you may want to do everything alone, which is ineffective and harmful for you. It is some form of dictatorship, where you are really sure that you are the one chosen for this role. You are very ambitious, and it extends through all areas of life. You may become overly judgmental, self-confident and exposed to vanity. If you share the power you have with others, you will only multiply it the things that you get.